Sorry, I didn't see you there. Right, we're going to do some handwriting today. Over the last few weeks, we've looked at a few different ways of learning our handwriting. We've looked at the alphabet, haven't we? We went from A all the way to Z. We've done our curly caterpillar letters, and we've done our taller letters as well. Well, today we're going to look at another type of letter. We're going to look at the letters that go below the line. Okay, so the famous one, the one that we know goes below the line, is our Y. We know that our G goes below the line, our Q goes below the line, and one that's often forgotten, our J goes below the line as well. So we've got lots to do there, but before we start, we need to start with our warm-up. So wiggle your fingers for me, apart from the camera lady. Okay, very good. And make sure you stretch it out. Pretend you're a Power Ranger. Wah! Very good. Now reach out and reach the other way. Reach up to the sky like Buzz Lightyear. Reach for the sky. Very good. Right. Okay, I think we're ready. Okay, so I've got my pen. I've got my line. Make sure you've drawn yourself your line if you're using blank paper or a whiteboard. Okay, now we'll start with that famous one. Remember, I always put a dot, don't I? So that I remember where to start from. And I'm going to go up. And I'm going to come round, and it's going to look like the letter U. But then I'm going to come round. I'm going to go back up because I join right there. Let's have a go at G. So I'm going to go round my curly caterpillar all the way round, and it looks like the letter A until I decide to come all the way round and back up. Let's have a look at Q. Dot on the line. It's going to go up to the same height. It looks a bit like a G, doesn't it? But it's going to go down and back up again. Let's have a look at J. Dot on the line. Up and back just below the line, like that. Okay? And let's have a look at an F, because an F goes below the line too. So this is the one that I always get wrong. I'm just going to have a quick look up at our alphabet strip just to see if I can get it right. Okay, I think I'm confident. I'll put my dot on the line and I'll go up and I'll come round like that and back up again, just like that. So have a go now at doing Y and G and Q and J and F. Have a go at doing those letters right now for me. You can pause the video and come back when you've done maybe 2 or 3 of each letter. And what we'll do now is we will get on with doing some words. Okay, so pause the video and come back to me later. Okay, right, we're going to do some words here. We're going to do some words that involve these letters that go below the line. So I've got another line here ready for me to do those words. The first one I want to do uses the J and uses the Y. It's the word joy. Jump for joy. Okay, here we go. I start on the line, but I go below the line, and now I'm going to join it. I'm going to go up to the top, and I'm going to come round, and I'm going to go round like that. There's my joy. I think I can do better than that, but we will move on to the next letter. The next word, sorry, is fog. So I'm going to start with my F. I don't know why I give myself this tricky challenge. Well, I tell you what, I do know why I'm doing it. It's so that I get better and better and better. So I'm going to start on the line. I'm going to come up. I'm going to go down, and then up to the top. I've got my F, I've got my O, joins at the top, into my G, round like that. Can you think of any words that use the letters that go below the line? Give it a go for me. See what you can do. We've got joy, we've got fog. What else could we have? We could have foggy, couldn't we? We could have jogger. We could have joyous. We could have queen. So there's lots that we could have. Okay, give it a go for me, and I will see you next week. See you later. Bye-bye.